Hi, I am Siddharth. I am here to tell about the DMS concept video topic. Step Steps to construct Hasse diagram. First of all, what is Hasse diagram? Definition: a partial ordering less than or equal to symbol on a set P can be represented by means of a diagram known as Hasse diagram of P comma less than or equal to partial ordering relation. A relation or on set A is said to be partial ordering relation or partial order on A if R is reflexive and R is antisymmetric and R is transitive on A. A set A with with a partial order or defined on it is called partial ordered set or an ordered set or a poset and is denoted by the pair in brackets A comma R. Reflexive relation. A relation R on a set A is called reflexive if A comma A belongs to or holds for every element that A belongs to capital A. That means if set A is equals to 1 comma 2, then R is equals to 1 comma 1 comma 2 is a reflexive relation. Antisymmetric relation. A relation R on a set A is called antisymmetric if A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R. Then A equal to B is called antisymmetric. That means relation R 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 on set A 1 2 3 is antisymmetric. Transitive relation. A relation or on a set A is called transitive if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. For all A, B, C belongs to A. That means relation R 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3 on set A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 is transitive. It is a Hassian diagram is a useful tool which completely describes the associated partial order. Therefore, it is also called an ordering diagram. It is very easy to convert a directed graph of a relation on set A to an equivalent Hasse diagram. Therefore, while drawing a Hasse diagram, following points must be remembered. The vertices in the Hasse diagram are denoted by points rather than by circles. Since a partial order is reflexive, hence each vertex of A must be related to itself. So the edges from the vertex to itself are deleted in Hasse diagram. Since a partial order is transitive, hence whenever A or B, B or C, we have A and C. Eliminate all the edges that are implied by the transitive property in the Hasse diagram. That means delete edge from A to C, but retain the other two edges. If a vertex A is connected to vertex B by an edge, that means A comma B, then the vertex B appears above vertex A. Therefore, the arrow may be omitted from the edges in the Hasse diagram. Here we can see Rules to construct Hasse diagram. A, a partial order is reflexive. At every vertex in the diagram of a partial order, there would be a loop. While drawing the diagram of partial order, we need not to exhibit such loops explicitly. In the diagram of a partial order, there is an edge from a vertex A to B, and there is an edge from vertex B to C. Then there should be an edge from A to C. So we need not exhibit an edge from A to C explicitly. Transitivity. And the fourth rule to construct an Hasse diagram is to simplify a format of diagram of a partial order. We represented the vertices by dots and draw the diagram in such a way that all edges point upwards. With this convention, we need not to put arrows in the edges. For example, consider the set A 4, 5, 6, 7. Let R be the relation on A. Draw the directed graph and the Hasse diagram of relation of R. The relation on set A is given by 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 7, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Here we can see the directed graph of relation R. Here we can see the arrow mark goes from 4 to 7, which is 4, 7. 4, 4 is represented as the arrow mark itself. To draw the Hasse diagram of partial order, apply the following points. Delete all the edges implied by the reflexive property. That means if like 4, 4 or 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Delete all edges implied by transitive property. That means if 4, 7 and 5, 7 is there and 4, 6. Replace the circles representing the vertices by dots. Omit the arrows. The Hasse diagram is as shown in the figure. Consider an example. Let A be a set and A equal to 1, 3, 5, 12, 15. The relation between elements or B that means is A divides B. Due to the reflexive property, all the elements have direct edge to itself. In this diagram, it shows the relations removed all the self-directing loops. Step 2. The green lines shows the transitivity. These green lines shows the transitivity. So we remove all the transitive lines out of the diagram. Look like the following. Replace all the vertices with dots and direct edges with ordinary lines. This final diagram is called Hasse diagram of a poset. And another example, draw the Hasse diagram representing the positive divisors of 36. If A, B, if and only if A divides B. Here D is the divisors of 36. Here the divisors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Here we can see 1 is related to the all elements. 2 is related to 2, 4, 6, 12, 18, 36. So we can see the Hasse diagram for the representing question. And another question is, let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. On A, define the relation R by A, B, if and only if A divides B. Prove that R is a partial order on A. Draw the Hasse diagram for this relation. Here we can see R is reflexive, transitive, and antisymmetric, and R is a partial order. Here we can see the diagram of the relation. Thank you. By this, I'm ending up my session.